A mysterious sound is haunting people across the world, known as the hum. This phenomenon has baffled scientists and lay people alike. A deep, low-frequency hum, too quiet for some to hear, but unbearable for others. It disrupts sleep, causes headaches, and drives some to the brink of madness. From the United States to Europe to Australia, people report the same thing, a constant droning noise that never stops. It's as if the earth itself is humming. But here's the mystery. No one knows what's causing it. Despite numerous studies, the source of the hum remains elusive. Some believe it's secret military experiments or hidden underground tunnels. Could governments be testing new technologies without our knowledge? Others think it's alien signals or something we're not meant to understand. Could extraterrestrial beings be trying to communicate with us? Yet, no microphones have ever recorded it clearly. Is it real or all in our minds? The lack of concrete evidence only deepens the mystery. What do you think? Have you heard the hum? Is it a natural phenomenon, a man-made anomaly, or something